Welcome to the world of design. Design is the art of discovering all the things that have not been made yet. It is equal parts learning and teaching, breaking and making, seeing and showing. In a world where digital fabrication is at your fingertips, three-dimensional computer-aided design is a must-have skill set. TinkerCAD is the perfect entry-level program to bring your creative ideas, product designs, and STEM projects to life. This course is meant for beginners. You don't need previous experience with 3D CAD design. The course is a detailed exploration of the 3D design workspace in TinkerCAD, emphasizing skills like confidently manipulating shapes by moving, scaling, and rotating, as well as working precisely with a variety of tools like the ruler and workplane. For the users who want to take their skills to the next level, we will explore unique strategies for constructing complex shapes. We will also try out special TinkerCAD workflows such as circuits and code blocks. The course is packed with keyboard shortcuts and pro tips to help you utilize every phase of the simple yet powerful program. TinkerCAD is an amazingly powerful, easy to use tool and software for creating digital designs that are ready to be 3D printed into super cool physical objects. You will be guided through the 3D design process via easy hands on lessons that teach you the basics of TinkerCAD before moving on to more complex modeling techniques. This course offers an introduction to the fundamentals of 3D design for elementary and middle school students. Students work on hands on projects and learn how to use computer aided design, that is CAD software, to create their designs. So, what are you waiting for? Come, let's dive into the world of design and bring our ideas to life. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the world of from mind to tangible design in minutes.